Hello guys, so the first video on our channel is about our dog's table which we ordered yesterday. So this is the box in which we got it, and now we'll unbox it. So first we'll remove this out in a very proper manner, and then we have to unbox it. Okay, so the box is, let me figure it out first. The box has to be opened in this way, here, like that, and here, and now we can see that. Okay, the rods are quite heavy, and here comes the bowl. Oops, here are the bowls, and this is the paper on which you can see the handling or the user manual. The user manual for elevated pet feeder. So let's follow this user manual and let's attach the rods together. As you can see, here are 4 rubber grips and they are quite good. I can say this is heavy too. It's very heavy. It won't, oh, it is moving, but I don't think it will move with after attaching this rod to it, right? So let's see. So here's one screw, as you can see, and we have to remove this screw according to the user manual. As you can see, we have to remove the screw. Quite a long screw. Yes, so you can see the screw, we have removed it, and now we got to attach it like that over here. So this will come on its back side like that, and we gotta attach this over here in such a way. Can you guys see this? I'm not sure. Just can. Okay, so I have moved the camera a little bit, and now I'm tightening its screw. Okay, so it is quite good, quite strong. Now I hope you guys can see, you are able to see this. And now what they say is, now you can step aside, put this on. Is it this way or this way? It's this way. So what we have to do is adjust the height, and accordingly we have to tighten the screw that is given over here. Let's tighten it. Okay. And here they have provided 2 bowls. One bowl over here and another over here. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, guys, if you are really not able to see. So here's one bowl, and here's another bowl. You can see the name Amazon Basics looks quite good. The only one problem I would say is, just a minute, the stand is quite good, as you can see over here. But only one problem I think is that it's moving a little bit, as you can see. So I need to really figure it out why it's moving. Although it's very good and its height is adjustable, so it would be easy for your pet. The designing is not accurate. I would say that it's not very much accurate, as you can see. But there are less chances of the bowl falling down, so it's okay, not a big deal, not a big issue. So that's really not a big issue. it's okay. And overall, I would say that it is really very helpful. So guys, let's meet in the next video, and I'll be posting a review again after a week of usage of this stand. Thank you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.